So today I'm working on the roof rack that I bought for the van. These are the side panels, and that's like the outside that would stick on that gutter right there. So this is how tall they are. You know, this is perfect for like a contractor or someone actually hauling ladders, but I'm literally just using these mounting points for the roof basket that I've had for this thing. So I think I'm going to cut these. So I think I'm going to cut these at its lowest, which is going to be like right above these slots right here. There are different positions that you can put the main mounting bolt in for the crossbar. So I think I'm going to cut this like straight across here. This is all just way unnecessary. And then I can put some paint on here too. Alright, took the flapper wheel and cleaned up the edges on these a little bit. Last thing, I've got that half a can of leftover gloss white from the roof painting. This poison ivy. Let's see what that does to it. This big roof basket, I think it's 84 inches long. It's going to be perfect for the top of that van. But I have to get it down from up there. When I put it up there, I just screwed a board on the trusses. And then the top is just hanging by like a J-hook. So I made it possible for me to put it up there by myself. But it's been a few years since I messed with it last. Okay. That wasn't so bad. I expected much worse. So you can see about how long it is from the back. So I have to figure out the placement on the bars. This thing's gonna be sweet. You know, for a $60 roof rack too, it's like nice and low profile. Obviously cut those things off. These things were like up to here. It was ridiculous. So next step is I'm gonna lift that thing on the top, and let's see how it looks. I think I'm gonna take off. I think I just had these staged where I had it before on my black truck, but I'll take those off and then can put those in a different spot. For some reason it looks so much smaller once it's up there. It actually kind of looks sweet. All right, well, last steps, I'm gonna secure this thing down, but yeah, I think it's gonna live there. I just have to tighten everything up. The last, all these gutter clips, these I have to tighten up, and then, you know, everything was just kind of soft installed. I was kind of bummed, as you guys probably saw, the thing fell over. I knew it was gonna happen. I don't know why I didn't plan for it, but the paint wasn't 100% cured yet, so there's a little bit of character, some grass stuck in it, but that's okay. Yeah, perfect. I got some rooftop storage now, and then maybe find one of those nice big Plano boxes that can mount to that, and then probably a spare tire, that kind of stuff. So anything that we can to keep out of the van that doesn't need to be inside of it, just for being camp ready. All right, guys, so one step at a time, we're gonna be getting this camper van ready to go, being free. So far I've got the cost of a battery, the cost of 6 cans of spray paint, and the roof rack, which was only 60 bucks, and then the roof basket I already had from another project from back in the day. So again, I'm Justin with JB Outdoors. Remember to spend more time outdoors. Always stay camp ready. I'll see you guys on the next video.